Happy birthday, Mamita. Have an awesome day with family, both here in San Diego and all the family at home.
Happy birthday, Mamita! I love you so much. Thank you for being the best teacher I know, and thank you for helping me grow up to be the person I am right now.
Happy birthday, Mamita! I love you! I wish nandyan kami, but we'll make up. And I love you! I wish you more good health always.
See you in a few months.
Yep.
Cheers!
Cheers to 85 years of Mommy and more years to come.
Amen.
Hi, B-Boy.
Bye!
Bye.
Hi, Mami! Happy birthday! Sorry hindi makaabot sa iyong birthday celebration, but I'll see you on the next days. Sending you the warmest wishes from the island. Mwah! Love you! Bye!
Happy birthday, before. May you have many more birthdays.
Ay, Auntie, happy birthday po sa inyo, Auntie. Hanggang makaumay, hanggang nakaumay. Dayo, man di tangim ti alalami. Ada kami dito. So, happy birthday latan, Auntie.
Hello, Auntie. Happy 85th birthday, Auntie. Sapay ko mata, ika nakapay ni Apo Diyos, ti adado nga panag-birthday. And adado nga piksa. Sapay ko mata, baka may kamto manditan, Davao. Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Sana ay bigyan ka ni Lord pa ng maraming birthday pa at magandang kalusugan. Yun ang wish namin para sa'yo. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy
Happy
birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
Ay, tayo po pala. Tayo.
Hi, hello ma'am. Hello. Naragsak apa nagkasangay mo. Dahito iti adopted daughter mo. I'm so happy to greet you today on your special day. How I wish I could be there beside you. But for those who don't know me, ako yung adopted daughter ni Ma'am. I look after Joy and the rest of the kids of Ma'am in 1969 to 1973. Matagal-tagal din yun kaya I know how to speak Ilocano. Although it's not fluent, but I can understand. Kaya hindi nila ako pwede mabenta because of my wonderful stay with Ma'am Laquista and Sir Laquista before. Ganyan na ang buhay natin, Ma'am. I'm so happy because you are also blessed with beautiful children and a loving children that always love and care for you. This coming May, I will be going home and we will celebrate. We will move forward your birthday again. We will celebrate as every day for me, every day is our birthday. Especially we are both seniors na. Kaya, tingnan mo, may regalo pa ako. Nakaribon ako today. Kasi yun ang regalo ko. Dato'y rupak. Ti regalo. King ka, ma'am. So, chill ka lang dyan. Enjoy the blessings. And I wish you will reach 115 because I will be 100 years old din. Then, we can celebrate together. Di ba masaya yon? Kayang-kaya natin yan. Nako. Kaya, chill ka lang and be happy. God is so good. And I am sending my love, my hugs for you today. Kaya, wait lang sa pagdating ko, ma'am. Mag-celebrate ulit tayo. Again, I love you and naragsak a panagkasangay mo. O anya, amok ti agsao pay ti Ilocano. Kaya mag-retain yan sa akin ang Ilocano dialect until forever siguro. Kaya ngayon, tuloy mo ang ligaya for the day. Kaya pagdating ko, ulit celebrate tayo, ma'am, ha? God bless you, and I love you. Bye-bye, second mother.